Lesson 8, Managing Content. Part 1, Publishing Reports. Open Visual Studio, and then open the third report project. In Solution Explorer, right-click the third report project, and then click Properties. Type Target Server and Target Report Folder Property. Click the Configuration Manager button, and then check Build checkbox and Deploy checkbox. Click Close and then click OK. Right-click the project in Solution Explorer, and then click Deploy. Review the results of the deployment in the Output window. The third report folder corresponds to the single project in the solution you just deployed. If you have deployed other projects, you'll see additional folders on this page. Part 2, Uploading Reports. You can use the Upload File feature in Report Manager to navigate to a file on your computer or on a network file share that you want to upload to the report server. Like deploying reports with Visual Studio, the upload process actually stores the file in the report server database. You can upload only one file at a time using this method. Click the Home link. Click Upload File, and then click Browse. Open the Report 4 file. Click OK. Part 3, Moving Content. As a report administrator, you can move reports, linked reports, resources, folders, and shared data sources from one folder to another. If you move a report, all its properties will remain the same in its new location and its history will follow the report if it exists. Similarly, when you move a shared data source, its relationship to reports and subscriptions is maintained. Click Show Details, Then check the report for, and click Move. Choose the third report folder and click OK. The report 4 has been moved. Part 4, Working with Data Sources. Open second report project and then deploy project. Click Data Sources and then click DSV Cars to display DSV Cars properties. Open browser and the report too. Part 5, Implementing Cached Instances. A cached instance of a report is like a session report, except that the same intermediate report can be shared between multiple users. Using a cached instance of a report reduces the number of queries to the source database and potentially improves the performance of report execution. In Report Manager, click the third report folder and then click Transactions Report. Click the Properties tab, and then click the Execution link. Click the third rendering option, Cache a temporary copy of the report. Expire copy of report on the following schedule, and then click the Configure button. Keep the default values, which indicate a schedule that executes on every day of the week. Click Apply. Part 6, Working with Shared Schedules. Before you can begin scheduling reports, you must define a schedule. Then, you can use the schedule to create a snapshot of a report that can be accessed later by users, or to build a history of a report to capture information at fixed intervals of time. Although you can define a unique schedule for each report, a more efficient approach is to create a shared schedule that can trigger several activities according to the same time intervals. You can use a shared schedule to manage snapshot creation, cache expiration, and subscription delivery for multiple reports. In Report Manager, click the Site Settings link. Click Schedules and then click the New Schedule. In the Schedule Name box, type Beginning of Month. Below Schedule Details, select Month. In order to add a shared schedule, SQL Server agent must be running. Otherwise, you will receive an error when you click OK to create the shared schedule. In the Start Time Hours box, type 05, and then click OK. Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.